So what we have here is a Köttermann fume hood from our partner, Köttermann, where we've put a DXR controller on here to monitor and control the fume hood. It also has an X200 device on the top. And with that X200, we're connecting the fume hood data in different ways. On the screen behind me, you can see two sides, left and right. One has an on-premise Mendix app running on site here in the X200, and it's showing data from the backnet, so DXR, plus also Powercenter 1000 data for the electrical infrastructure. So we're getting power data from the fume hood as well. So that's on-premise and an app that was developed actually through our Building X platform, the ecosystem on a Mendix local environment. And because we have the connectivity with the X200, we've integrated all of this infrastructure into Building X. So we have the data on the Building X company, and we have a lifecycle twin 3D model of our pilot lab in Zug. And in Zug, we have 3 fume hoods. And what we've done is added the 3D model of this Köttermann fume hood here into the lifecycle twin. And we've connected it with the RDS service to the live data from that Building X company. So we get really live data in the twin. So the value for that is that maintenance staff, they can run tickets, they can do maintenance tasks, management, but you can also see the data from the assets. So you can do an initial analysis of trend, historic time series data, alarm indications and stuff like that. So, and that really helps speed up the maintenance stuff.